Good morning, teacher. My name is John Alexander Gill. I am a student for the engineering environmental. I am explained for the pollution in the air. Air pollution consists of the chemical of particles in the atmosphere that pose a serious health and environmental risk. For the question, but what causes air pollution? Mm, Some air pollution comes from the natural sources like volcanic eruptions, wildfire, or allergens, but most air pollution results from human activity, so as energy used in the agriculture. When we burn fossil fuel to the produce energy, they release greenhouse gas into the air like carbon dioxide and methane and different gas that are trapped in the atmosphere make high temperature temperature and create the famous climate change. Climate change. We and continue that not happen searching in the new clean energy alternatives like toxic alternative of energy produced by water movement.